Hello, my name is Saira Bhutta, and welcome to my digital portfolio. I am a student at Stony Brook University, and this digital portfolio has been created for your convenience to learn more about me. This contains a little bit about me, my interests, and I have links to my resume, my academic highlights. On the bottom, I have links for Twitter, my Instagram, and my LinkedIn account, which you can easily navigate. And let's get on to a little bit about me. So, I am a senior at Stony Brook University, and I'm working towards my bachelor's in biology. I'm hoping to pursue a career in medicine, and I'm specifically interested in pediatrics. I've also listed some more hobbies of mine on the bottom, and this is a link to my interests. I specifically enjoy getting involved in community projects and organizations. There are some organizations that I can't personally get to, like the problems that are ongoing in Somalia or around the world, or how kids don't have enough food and they're facing malnourishment. So through different organizations, I really like to keep up with the news, and I like to donate or help how much ever I can. I do like to get friends and family involved also, so they can also collect money and hopefully send it off to these organizations. So that is a huge interest of mine. I love to bake, so this is a cake made by me. And I also love reading scientific journals and research articles. They have great issues that release about 2 times a month, and they discuss various mechanisms of the body and development and cell biology. So I'm really interested in that, and these are the specific issues that I enjoy reading. So since I am interested in pursuing a career in pediatrics, I really like to focus on nutrition for children. And for that, I have started an Instagram page where I like to put information for parents, new parents, or experienced parents, where they can see information about health related concepts and some tips. So the Instagram is right here and it's called Baby Broccoli. I am fairly new to it, but I do like to put in only information that is really to the point and where they can easily access it on my page. So, for example, my sister just became a new mom, so we didn't know any of this stuff. So, like, it is in books, but um, you can get it through research, but my goal was really to create a page where it's like a one-stop shop where you can get healthy recipes, and you can also really find information that you really need to know when you become a new parent. And this also has some great recipes. I'm really not into going vegan or vegetarian for kids because I feel like they need best of the both worlds. But there are some great recipes that parents can look at over here, and I feel like these are some useful pictures. And I do hope that this page can get bigger because one of my focuses in pediatrics is endocrinology. So I feel like a good nutrition and a balanced diet is really essential for babies, especially. Then from my page, you can go to my Twitter account right here. And before this class, I didn't really engage in Twitter, but as we learned, I did get onto this page, and I do follow pages and get more information about the environment and about diabetes linked issues and global warming. And this is basically my Twitter. This is my LinkedIn account where I've listed my school, my university, my education, some of my experience that I've had, and I've had my volunteering experience also. I was a research assistant, and some of my skills and endorsements, as well as accomplishments that I've had, and my interests in LinkedIn. And I feel like this is a great tool, and it's really important for every student or every professional. And we can go to my resume from here. So in my resume, I've listed my volunteering experience, a little bit about myself on the profile, my work history, and I've listed my education and my language skills. So that if in the future employers would like to know a little bit more about me or my experiences, they can hopefully come to this page and get to know a little bit more about me. And in my academic highlights, I've listed that I was in the dean's list and my expected graduation, my bachelor's in biology, and that is it. Thank you so much.